Right, so the next thing I'll probably do is restore the plastic. So let's get the heat gun out and crack on. But if I could please ask, if you could please give this video a thumbs up, that'll help my videos get recognised. And if you're new to this channel and you enjoy my content, then please subscribe and click the bell notification. That way you'll get notified when I upload again. So that being said, let's crack on.
So I'll hold back, and you should know that it's never good, just like me good. So I'll go back, oh look, I need to forget the time I lost, moonshine back again.
Right, that is the trim done, and what a difference. I mean, I'll get a wee walk around just to see how good it's come up, but honestly guys, the trim rate looks absolutely incredible now. It just goes to show how little work can make such a big difference. Also, I'm getting a wee coat of silicone spray as well, which to be fair made an absolute massive difference. Yeah, really happy. It actually looks like a brand new car now, to be fair. Super clean. So anyway, that about wraps up the video. If you did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next video.